Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Welcome to today's tutorial on replacing the base and coupling of your Thermomix TM31. This process can significantly extend the life of your appliance, ensuring it performs at its best. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather the necessary tools. Before diving into the repair, it's essential to have the right tools at hand. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver, 2. A flathead screwdriver, 3. Pliers, 4. A clean cloth, 5. A vacuum cleaner for internal cleaning. Gather these tools and let's move forward. Step 2. Disconnect the Thermomix TM31. Ensure your Thermomix TM31 is unplugged from the power source. Safety is our priority, and working with a powered appliance can be dangerous. Step 3. Remove the base. Using the Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the bottom of the machine. Carefully unscrew each one and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base from the main body. If you encounter resistance, check for any missed screws. This is a good time to clean the internal components you can access. A clean appliance enhances performance, so grab your vacuum cleaner for any dust accumulation inside. Step 4. Extract the coupling. Next, turn the base over to access the coupling. Remove the 4 screws that hold the coupling in place using your screwdriver. Gently pull the coupling out, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. If you prefer, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you find this process overwhelming, don't hesitate to reach out. Step 5. Installing the new coupling. Now it's time to install your new coupling. Position it correctly within the base. Ensure it aligns properly and fits snugly. Secure it in place by reattaching the 4 screws you previously removed. Step 6. Reattaching the base. Once the new coupling is in place, it's time to reattach the base. Line it up with the main unit and press it gently back into position. Replace the screws one by one, ensuring they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten them. If you're struggling with this, remember, we have pickup and delivery at your home. This service means no calls and no travel for you, making it hassle-free. Step 7. Final inspection. Before plugging in your Thermomix, double-check that all screws are securely fastened and the base is properly aligned. A thorough inspection ensures safety and functionality. Step 8. Testing your Thermomix. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM31. Conduct a test run by activating the appliance. Listen for any unusual noises or irregularities. If everything sounds normal, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the base and coupling. Lastly, remember to always get a quote before repair if you decide you need further assistance. Repairs can sometimes be simpler than you think, and often a professional touch can save you time and frustration. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.